Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the best surfboard wall rack on the market, the 2-Stone Surfboard Rack. If you're someone who loves surfing or any board sports and you're looking for a reliable, durable, and stylish way to store your boards, this rack might just be what you need. The 2-Stone Surfboard Rack is crafted from solid, eco-friendly beechwood, which is known for its strength and sustainability. Its design is simple yet functional, allowing it to hold a variety of boards including surfboards, shortboards, skimboards, wakeboards, and even snowboards, making it a versatile option for board storage. It can safely hold boards weighing up to 50 pounds, so it fits most common board sizes. One of the standout features of this rack is its sturdiness. The solid wood construction combined with strong screws ensures the rack stays firmly attached to your wall, giving you peace of mind that your boards are safely stored. The rack's surface is smoothly polished with rounded corners, which not only looks modern but also prevents any accidental scratches or damage to your boards or walls during installation or handling. Another thoughtful design element is the protective rubber strip lining the part of the rack that comes in contact with the board. This rubber padding acts as a cushion to avoid any damage or scratching to your surfboard's surface, which is essential for maintaining the board's integrity and appearance over time. Installation is straightforward. The rack comes with all necessary mounting hardware and clear instructions, making it easy to set up on any wall, indoors or outdoors. Whether you want to organize your garage, store your board in your living room, or display it as a piece of decor, this rack provides an elegant solution. In terms of dimensions, the rack measures approximately 7.5 inches long, 3 inches wide, and is just under half an inch thick, making it compact enough to fit in tight spaces but strong enough to hold your equipment securely. Overall, the 2-Stone Surfboard Rack balances style, durability, and function. It's a practical addition for anyone looking to keep their boards organized while adding a touch of natural wood aesthetics to their space. If you want a dependable rack that does more than just hold your boards, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you like this review and want more honest product insights, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until next time, keep your boards safe and ride the waves.